Warning, this is a skit. Nothing that I'm showing in this video is from a place I said. Well, maybe the bat sponges, but the rest is from like a state or something. No packages are real. This is just a skit for entertainment. Also, I'm also bored, so yeah, let's get started onto the video. Hey Skybolters, so today I just got squishy packages and I went uptown and bought some stuff. I did get a squishy package from my family in the States. I asked them to get me some squishies. And then I got a squishy package from this website called Squishies Lovable _ Rainbow Unicorn. That is weird, but let's get on to the video. Dab on them, dab on them. Okay, so we're starting off with the bad sponges, and these are from Forever 21. So here they are. Here they are. I don't know what to say, but first one is this pineapple, and both of these are actually from Forever 21. So they're only $2.90. Yeah. Let's put those. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the strawberry. And then here is the strawberry. Okay, on to the Dollar Tree. So at the Dollar Tree, I saw these. And this is a banana. It's only $1. Very soft and polarizing. Okay. Then I have the soccer ball stress ball. It's not a crush ball. And then I thought about getting this pocket back hand sanitizer. It's really cute. So those are the stuff, and I forgot to mention the smell. This is Caribbean Escape, and I really like this. It's like a coconut flower kind of thing by Bath and Body Works. And then Forever Eggs, I got this Rilakkuma headband, and I really like Rilakkuma headbands. This was $20, but I'm like, it's worth it, guys. It's worth it. It's Rilakkuma. On to the Okay, on to the package from my family. I did open it to see if it's a squish package from my family, and it is. Here you guys get the first peek, I guess. I just looked in a little bit and I saw a squishy, so I'm like, it's a squishy package. Guys, they got me a mini turtle, and y'all know that I have a turtle, and it's a big pink one, a jumbo one, or like a medium size, not a jumbo. And it's a green turtle. It's like a melon pen bud. I really like this. Thank you. Thank you. Shout out to my family in Skit. Oh, I feel a crunchy package. Oh, they got me a squeeze toy. The camera's bad right now, but they got me a squeeze toy. Oh, the scissors are about to fall. Okay, so they got me a squeeze toy. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I'm back again, and there, I looked at the squishy, and I saw a different star out of all of them. So as you can see, the stars are just regular stars, but then there's this star, and I don't know what kind of star that is. But this is a squeeze toy, and it's a red one. I might be cutting one of these up, even if it's just water in it. Like, I want to see what color it is, or is it just water? I might not, I might. Okay, next one. Oh, okay, so I got a mini. I think this is bigger. This is just like a centimeter bigger than this one. And this is a purple emoji. And these aren't resealable packaging, so I might not open it. But I do have like a spiky blue one like this. So I might cut that one up because I already opened it. But guys, look. Okay, so the last squishy is this blue star one, and I don't see the star like this one on this one, so I guess they just printed it twice. I'm sorry for that. I'll see you guys. Hold on. Okay, so the blue one. So I'm squishing it, and I see that the water's clear, so I'm not going to cut up these anymore because I see that the water's clear. And then there's one last thing. Oh my gosh. They gave me this Guam keychain, and I am in Guam. And this is just so cute. I'm in Guam, so it's so nice for them to give me this. So I'll be right back, guys. Again. I'm back again, and I just want to say I'm in Guam. I live in Guam. This is a Guam keychain. Guam rolls. Guam's the best. Guam, you know Guam. Fortunately, it's not a squishy, but I think that's really cute. If it was squishy, it'd be cuter. So that is it for the family package. On to the last squishy package that I ordered. Oh, I hope I didn't crack that. Okay, I didn't crack it. So this has my address on it, which sucks, on both sides. There's the address right there and the address right here. I'm going to cut this open. Oh. Okay, so I managed to cut a little, and I'm just going to open it. You guys get your first piece. I'm so excited. Okay. Guys, oh my gosh. So the first squishy. Oh, I got my mango. And my camera's about to fall. Got my mango. It's so soft. This was only $7, so you know me, cheap squishies, I buy it. Next squishy. Speechless. Speechless, guys. I got my I Love Teeth by Sankey Elan Relief Squishy. And look at it. Ready? It's not that slow rising, but it's a slow rising, and I really like it.
It's just rising.
Okay, so the next squishy, I'm reaching in, and my camera's about to fall. My shiny eyes bun, guys. This was only about like $5. So yeah, and I think she said I got an extra. So yeah. I didn't order these two. That means these are extras. So there's this pink Winnie the Bear, or Winnie the Pooh Bear, and then a rabbit or a bunny. Okay, next one. I got slime. I didn't even order this. It's straw slime. Or, yeah, it's straw slime. Oh my gosh, this slime is goals. And this, I didn't order this. I didn't order this, guys. So that's an extra. And I think, oops. I think this is the last thing. Oh my gosh. Guys, look. So I'm going to give you guys a peek. What's in there? You guys already know. It's my Yummy Bear! My Galaxy Yummy Bear! The package is open, so I'm just going to take it out. It smells like chemicals. Doesn't smell good. But it's my Galaxy Yummy Bear. Yummy Bears are just a dream come true. Like, look. Galaxy, Yummy Bear. Galaxy and Yummy Bear put together equals a Yummy Bear Galaxy Squishy. That was just weird, but obviously everyone knows that. But it's not just a Yummy Bear. It's a creamy candy Yummy Bear. I think this is creamy candy or pudding marrow. I don't know if it's creamy candy or pudding marrow, guys, to be honest. My sister was about to run in the video, but then she forgot I was recording. So, yeah. They don't really like to be in videos that much. Or, sometimes, they don't like be in videos because of, like, you know, they're just, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, they just don't feel like being in the video, or sometimes they don't want to be in the video because, like, they just woke up or something. But again, Yummy Bear goals, just goals, guys. Hashtag goals if you're a goal person and you have so many goals that you already achieved. And this is one of my goals, and I achieved it. And my other goals is to get more Real Kuma Squishies, more like Hello Kitty Squishies, and like I Bloom and Pudding Marrow. But those are goals for later. Right now, it's just simple in life. Look at that. So I'm focusing on the squishy for like how long. My other goal is to get like a camera to vlog and to make videos because I'm using my phone and that sucks. I like when I squish it on the bottom and then the feet go in. That's just so cute. Yeah. Goals, guys. Let's squish the heart. It's so squishy. So, comment down below some like dares I should do with my defected squishies, like my really defected ones that I don't really like anymore. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Comment down below again video suggestions and I might do it. And if you do that video suggestion, I can give you a shout out. I'm still holding this Yummy Bear. But again, thanks for watching and see you later, Sky Vaulters, because we're goal makers. Peace, y'all, I guess. But again, just peace.